Hello everyone. What we got here? Usdcad. So this is Usdcad weekly we're looking at, and so what's happened recently is we had this FTR here. So this is a great one. This FTR where I don't like the crosshair, where prices come up here and it's made these higher lows, and it's come right down again, come back up, and then off it's gone, and made this fantastic FTR. So of course everybody would be looking at this point here because it's such a strong move away, that as a few of us were discussing, wouldn't be surprised to see this faked out, and we thought, well, this would be the place to fake it out into, but then that's super obvious as well, and this is what makes me nuts, because how unobvious do things have to be? It's a bit subjective anyway. So when this got engulfed, this here, that was quite significant. So I was pointing out to somebody that you should look at what happens to price when it comes back to this level. Sorry, I've still got a bit of a cold. 7, 2, 3, 1. And you can see that it's not a kind of to the pip thing, but when price broke through here, it came back to this ignored supply, which turned into demand. And if you go down to the 4 hours, say, you can see that this is the black line I just put in. It doesn't quite come back down to it, but it's you get the idea that that's a demand area that's turned into demand. So let me just take that line back out again, back out to the weekly, and so I thought, well, if this is going to get faked and this is going to get faked because they're both obvious, maybe. I was watching, and price just went right past this. This looks like the next obvious point. So for some reason I can't see that far in the 4 hour, but I can in the 1 hour. I don't know, I loaded some data to do this, and I'm not too sure that I've done it correctly, but anyway, I have previously put in the point where this is. So this is the area that I was noting as a fake out. So that's in here. That's where we're looking, right in there, just on this point here. So you can see the blue area there that I've marked. So I'm going down to the 1 hour, and I'm going to go to that point in time, which is right here, and what I see is this flag here. So it comes up, and it's only after the fact that you see this, but it's come up, it's paused here, off it's gone, it's flagged, it's broken it down there. So you see from here, it gets broken there, which is what made me draw in this flag here, and then I just waited to see what price was going to do when it came back to there. So let's go back to there now. So here's the hourly. So this is where we are. This is where we are now, back in this same blue area, and so it's come back in there. It came up here, it made this what seems like a fake, came back down to where the supply turned demand was, which is here, and it's come back up into this area that I thought there might be a fake out in, and it's gone into there and dropped. I put this purple line in just for my own kind of just look back in time to see where it went, and it's moved pretty strongly away, and it came back up here, and as it came back up, I was just watching to see what it did when it got to this area here. So I was interested in this area because I see price coming up here, and it's making a higher low and a higher low and a higher low, and then here it actually makes a sorry, let me see again. Yeah, so yeah, higher low, comes up, and then just here it breaks it down. This one here. So comes up, down, comes higher, and just there's where it breaks it, and then it makes this nice pin here. So I was waiting for what kind of reaction happened when it came back there. And just put my trade levels back in there, and you can see I took a short when I saw this pin form. I just took a short there, and I felt comfy about it after it broke this level there. So if you wanted to wait for QM here for an engulf before you went short, you have one just right there. So price is coming up. So it's got this low here, comes right up there, breaks it here, comes back up. So that's the engulf, and then this QM level to this shoulder here, and you get a nice pin, and you can enter there as well. There you go. That's that.